Starting out as an early childhood teacher can be exciting, but also overwhelming. You're stepping into a classroom full of eager children and you want to do everything right. But here's the truth. Every new teacher makes mistakes, and that's okay. The key is knowing what to watch out for and how to grow from those experiences. Here are the 5 most common mistakes new early childhood teachers make, and how to fix them so you can thrive in your classroom. 1. Focusing on rules instead of relationships. One of the biggest mistakes new teachers make is jumping straight into rules, routines, and discipline. While structure is important, children learn best when they feel safe, seen, and connected. How to fix it? Take time to build strong relationships first. Learn each child's name quickly, greet them warmly each day, and show interest in their lives. Trust and connection create the foundation for cooperation and learning. 2. Overplanning the day. It's tempting to fill every minute with structured activities. Many new teachers worry that free time means children aren't learning. But the opposite is true. Kids need time to explore, use their imagination, and follow their curiosity. How to fix it? Balance structure with flexibility. Instead of a jam-packed schedule, include time for play, exploration, and smooth transitions. Pay attention to the children's interests and let them guide some of the day's experiences. 3. Talking too much. New teachers often rely heavily on constant instructions, corrections, or explanations. While well-intentioned, too much teacher talk can overwhelm children and actually reduce listening. How to fix it? Keep directions short and simple. Model what you want to see instead of over-explaining. After giving directions, pause. Children often need extra time to process before they respond. 4. Ignoring classroom setup. A classroom that isn't thoughtfully arranged can cause unnecessary challenges. Clutter, unsafe materials, or unclear boundaries often lead to behavior problems. How to fix it? Think of your environment as a silent teacher. Organize learning centers so children know where materials belong. Place toys and supplies at child level. Use shelves, rugs, and furniture to create defined play areas. A well-arranged classroom supports independence and reduces stress for both you and the children. 5. Forgetting self-care. Many new teachers give everything to their students and leave nothing for themselves. Burnout is common in this field, but it doesn't have to be. How to fix it? Make self-care part of your routine. Stay hydrated, eat nourishing meals, and take a few deep breaths throughout the day. Build a support network of colleagues and mentors you can lean on. When you take care of yourself, you'll have the energy and patience to give children your best. Final thoughts. Being an early childhood teacher is one of the most rewarding careers you can choose. By avoiding these 5 common mistakes, you'll create a positive learning environment, set yourself up for long-term success, and build stronger relationships with the children in your care. At Networx Training Academy, we specialize in helping new and experienced professionals grow their skills through continuing education courses, professional development, and practical classroom resources. Ready to take the next step in your career? Explore our entry-level and CE training courses today. Like and subscribe for more videos like this one.